Good afternoon. My name is Zachary Durbin, and today we are here to talk about the benefits of cooking meals from scratch rather than from a prepackaged box. Through our time together, it is my hope that I will be able to inspire those who do not cook from scratch to start cooking that way. To that end, I will be talking about the time benefits, cost benefits, and health benefits of both box cooking and cooking from scratch. But to start off with, I'm going to share a short personal experience on this subject. My oldest son, for the longest time, would complain or refuse to eat pasta meals that had prepackaged pasta in it. This could be anything from tuna noodle casserole to lasagna and spaghetti. His complaint was he just did not like the way the pasta tasted. This had been going on for the better part of 4 years. Over the past 6 months, though, I've come to find that I have a great enjoyment in cooking. And I wanted to grow more and learn how to make fresh pasta. And after making the pasta and cooking it up for the family, my oldest son ate the pasta and enjoyed it. Since then, I've made a few other dishes with homemade pasta, and he's enjoyed those as well. But this simple story is things that I've heard from other people as well. To start this talk, I'm going to talk about the health benefits of cooking from scratch. Most people do not consider what goes into their food when they buy a can of this or a package of that. Again, most people don't also take the time to look at what the ingredients are in that package or if there are any warnings on the package itself. I know right now on my shelf I have a package of noodles that was purchased from my own home. And right below the ingredients, there's a warning that reads, "Contains wheat, made on shared equipment that also processes eggs." This warning comes in a very small print on the back of the packaging, wedged between the ingredients, and more text. And while yes, it is written in bold, it is still very easy to overlook. While this product doesn't contain eggs itself, it could cause a reaction to somebody who has an egg allergy. When people make food from scratch, it is far easier to avoid those allergens that could cause reactions in those people that are eating. At the same time, when we cook from scratch, we also know what exactly went into our dish. So if we're at a potluck and somebody asks, "What's in this dish?" we can tell them exactly what's in it. Had the dish been prepared with prepackaged ingredients, like a hamburger helper or something, we wouldn't be able to say with 100% certainty that there is no allergens in it. One of the things that I've found with my new love of cooking is that I'm also able to spend time with my wife in the kitchen. I've come to find this time with her very relaxing, as well as comforting, and very supporting in our relationship. I find myself looking forward to the nights that we are able to cook together throughout the week. Even in a small kitchen, it can help strengthen the bond between a husband and wife, as well as teaching them new skills and new ways to work together as one. This is one of the things that I found lacking when cooking a pre-made meal. While it can be done, more often than not, it's more of a hindrance in the cooking process. On the other hand, however, because of the way society has become, cooking from scratch also becomes very difficult due to time constraints, especially when it comes to cooking for children. One of the easiest ways to overcome this constraint is to cook using a slow cooker, crock pots, or by preparing your meals ahead of time and putting them in the freezer for reheating later. By cooking with the slow cooker, you are able to put your food on for dinner in the morning when you leave for work, and by the time you get home, it should be done. And when you prepare your meals ahead of time and put them in the freezer, it takes a lot of the prep work, so all you have to do is the actual cooking, or sometimes even just reheating. The downside about doing all the prep work on your days off is that it is a lot of work, especially if you're preparing multiple meals. But when broken up between other family members, it is also a very rewarding experience. Most people think it's cheaper to cook from a box than it is to cook from scratch, because they look at how many ingredients they have to buy for that meal. And in some ways, cooking from a pre-made meal is both true and at the same time untrue, being cheaper. I know it sounds like a very confusing statement, but please bear with me, and it'll make sense in just a moment. When we look at the cost of things, if we look at a single meal alone, yes, a pre-made box of Hamburger Helper is cheaper than what it would take to make the same meal from scratch. However, what people overlook is that when you buy ingredients to make a meal from scratch, it is very rare that you are able to buy the exact amount of ingredients you need. An example of this, let's say that a recipe calls for 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Most of the stores that I've been in, unless it's a bulk store, does not sell flour in this measurement. They come in 5-pound bags. With the additional 4 pounds and so many cups of flour, you could make a loaf of bread or a number of other items. So when you actually look at it, it is cheaper to buy the ingredients and cook from scratch rather than cooking from a box, because when you buy the ingredients, you're buying ingredients not just for one meal, but for multiple meals. So as we look back over what's been covered this evening, given the information on health, time, and cost, it is truly better to cook from scratch. So whether you're a novice who has never looked at a recipe, a busy parent, or a self-proclaimed chef, get in the kitchen and cook for yourself before the art of cooking from scratch is lost in the new generation. You never know. You might yourself find a passion in cooking like I have. Thank you.